Kumshi benta ban Kyntiew ya karukom ri bat penmi ya uknyang Ryndia bat Muga kamtam hari boy distrik kabadai kawai neki distrik mapaunam halor kajing penmi ya uknyang Ryndia kijan Ryndia kumba kathan umdan diwan kalayo namru kumka first eri silk village Khuborjylla. Ka Regional Muga Research Station Central Silk Board Ministry of Textiles jangka Sorkar India haka jinga trailang bat ko office jangka District Sericulture Officer Riboy District mentakasngi pratarik rempang kala Pynlong daka Vanya Resham Krishi Mela ya kabala Pynlong ha District Library Nongpoh. Haka ni kasngi lawan ban sakhi lang da uba Mir Bons im MLE ka Nongpoh ubalawan ban shimbenta ku mukong san haka te kasngi bat ula pri bat baru ya kajing pen inam exhibition ya ka rukom ri bat penmi ya uknyang bat ksai Ryndia ban ula yo ru ban pelat ya kakot halor ka rukom ri ya uknyang Muga bat penmi sembai rengkat ki khosnam balasam shigi nong ri knyang Ryndia bat Muga paklantam hari boy district kum kajing penslur yaki ha kajing dan lang USAS Rehman Scientist DRMRS Boko Brajendra Chaudhary Scientist D retired CSB BB Singha Scientist D retired CSB Dr. KM Vijoya Kumari, Director CMER and TI, Ladoigar, RB Lingwa, Zonal Officer in Charge, District Sericulture Officer, Riboy District, bat kiwe ki Officer Rengkat ki Spangut Kinori Knyang Ryndia, bat Muga, na Riboy District.
This auspicious occasion, I will take this opportunity to inaugurate this exhibition on this Vanya Resham Krishi Mela today. Here in District Library, Nongpoh.
Langsung mulai.
Dia membatai. Pilana. Pilana.
Nongpoh. Yes.
Or yes.
As the developmental scheme were implemented in Meghalaya and Assam, and we requested to have some rearer from Mosanta area and nearby Mosanta areas, where we have got the sufficient Muga rearer, and we have converted them ASR, adopted seed rearer, because whatever the cocoa produced by them, we were collecting. MSSO was collecting and they were producing the seed. So this was the initiation of this area for Muga culture. Though agriculture was tried long back, and this area farm Nongpoh was the only farm where the people used to visit this farm. Now, the so many developmental schemes. Right now also there is, I think, still some of the two is being implemented. So under that scheme, the scheme was prepared basing the constraint faced by the beneficiaries, what they required, and accordingly the scheme was prepared and it is now being implemented in the state, not only in Meghalaya, in all the northeastern states, because the central
Umba riknyang, umba tirksai, umba airong, umba matai. Ikin pare, yang kan rearing, spinning, dyeing, weaving, saw kenok ngening bertang bae. Kawan kalian itu kan kam haban yo ayaki. Cingtip juga kampenya. Bat bene layo ban ya keren hak porba di exhibition itu na benta ban register ban yo ya kata ma ongki kaji pencisha ban pencisha ba usai ubo penmut ko pila ni lagi kican ki bathan ko pila ni kide nang baru usai uba dikena boha bode mar benta bun baha ki ba penmut ki mar duplicate namar ba yaju usai Ryndia yaju kini kican Ryndia ki babun ki company ma ki group ki bala abi bentit ki bachne ki mar ki balom duplicate ki habale ko ju ko ha habale ni ti pi uno ko original no di duplicate ang ye sit ti bala terma kata ban pencisha ba ude uksai uba tikna bode original ba pagi di chan ki original te don kam ban ha ban register ban yo ka kama nagalian dong central set board hakaba nagalian tu hi galak bendeka SCG galak bendeka group galak bendeka shimet pin sapan ding sai kita kono beci ai kai ki hapi mar hagni ke perthai ko kompani de sutu ipi ki mar ki original e hi ki dong than je pen lut kan nong kan ni ka sngi ka dong sngi ban ya than tu bande ka dor ka biet ka ban ngam tar tan ki hapi e pat ki bol pat ki pen kam da ki bolong duplicate How we did you get you do it? They do not listen. They didn't take it out, don't come in to have a take of a yard, a great jong you a day has not how that by said it did he don't find it did no side of the now, no cricket, no click side of side car, no book side gas or down, who does that? They never got don't come here but him did but when register got a side, he kind of young younger. Departemen Khubor distrik jong NEHU kong
taktilan. Ini takti. Lakon iweni nong rap ilakon ibalakon kemi muga, uknyang muga. Kong Srimati Sita Norris, the largest producer of Muga, Muga cocoon.